Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Esther and today I'm revealing something most farmers never talk about, my chicken salary. Yes, I'm breaking down exactly how my chickens pay me, the profit, secrets behind my poultry business, and how you can earn a steady income from your flock. How my chicken salary works, and when I talk of chicken salary, is the money I earn every week or every month from my chickens, and it comes from four main areas. The first one is egg sales, the eggs that I sell every day or every month. Second is the meat sales, the meat I sell when people come to buy chickens or when I'm selling chickens to customers. And the third one is manure sales, and that this is when I'm selling my manure to farmers. And the last one is chicks sales. This is when I sell chicks to farmers so that they can go and raise them. And you can get this salary whether you are farming full-time or part-time. Now let us discuss each and every point how I get money. In case of eggs, I sell my eggs anytime when I get customers. And in this case, I get money from eggs because when selling kienyeji eggs, I get a lot of money because the price of kienyeji eggs are higher than the commercial layers. For example, with 100 broilers, now let us assume per day you get 60 eggs, and this is on the lower side. Like here in our place, we sell each egg at 20 Kenyan shillings. So daily income is 60 eggs times 20 shillings, and that is 1200 Kenyan shillings. Monthly income is 1200 shillings times 30 days, and that is 36,000 Kenyan shillings. Now cost of feed per day. A laying bird consumes 120 grams per day. So for 100 birds, that is 12,000 grams, and it is equivalent to 12 kgs or kilograms per day. So per week is 84 kilograms. So what I get per month for eggs is 36,000. That is the money I get for eggs in a month. You subtract 23,800. That is the cost of feed. So what I get per month is 12,200 Kenyan shillings. And from this amount, you have to subtract the money for vaccination, supplements, electricity, and miscellaneous. So what I get monthly is allowed 8,000 for eggs, and this is part of my salary. But not every month I get this amount because of the broken eggs, and sometimes they don't lay every day. So the profit sometimes is lower than this, but I also get my salary. The other thing is the money that I get from the meat. And for meat, this one I wait for until 4 to 5 months, and this depends on the number of chicken I have. So the money I get from meat, I have to wait for some time. Now let us count for manure. Per week I get 2 bags, and I sell at 200 Kenyan shillings per bag. So in a week I get 400 shillings per week. Per month I get 8 bags for 1600 Kenyan shillings. Last one is chicks. I hatch allowed 200 chicks in a month, and I sell at 100 Kenyan shillings per chick day old. So in a month I get 20,000 Kenyan shillings, and the total amount I get per month is allowed 30,000 for my salary. Now these are my top 5 profit secrets. The first one is feed smart but not expensive. I buy in bulk for a whole month, that is 7 bags at a go. I also reduce wastage by using proper feeders. Another thing is sell before everyone else. I wake up very early in the morning to deliver eggs to customers or they collect them from the farm. Another thing is to turn chicken poop into money. I sell dry manure to farmers or gardeners. Also, small space, go vertical. In small space, I use vertical coops to increase the number of chickens without buying more land. Another thing is to brand myself. In branding myself, I share my journey online to encourage someone out there. So your chickens can pay your bills if you treat it like a business. Not carefree. For the money I have indicated here, the profit can also drop if the weather changes or if your chickens are sick. So the money I get every month can be less or more depending on how I take care of my chickens and how I protect them from diseases. So the more you have a big number of chickens, the more you get a lot of money. So make sure you take good care of your chickens and you'll be a successful farmer. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed Esther's Profit Secrets, hit that like button, subscribe and comment below the chicken topic you want next. Remember, small space, big dreams, your chicken salary is waiting. Bye bye. Let's meet in another video. Before I end my video, let me leave you with some videos to show you how I increase my profit by saving money to buy like supplements, drugs, vitamins. So continue watching and enjoy.